this video, I'm going to talk about how to move our statues. It's not going to be for statues like these or these, which require, a forklift or a crane. But for smaller statues that, you yourself or a landscaper or someone can manually put them in your backyard for you. So we're going to show you how to move. After you unpack the statue, you just get it on a pallet like this, and how to get it from the pallet to where it's going. We recommend using a hand truck or a dolly, and then usually a piece of cardboard works fine. This is just a thin piece of foam, but same thing will work fine with cardboard. So what we want to do is just kind of push. You remember, we're never going to lift the statue. We're just going to push it up to get some space under there. And then we're going to just put the dolly right underneath it. Put this piece of foam down. And now your hand truck is fully underneath it. Now we just want to push it back, and then we're going to use just like that. So I mean, this is a 500-pound statue. There's no way I could pick it up. Mark, he's superhuman, but there's no way he could pick it up. But this is an easy way just to use leverage to move a statue around. And then you can just move it wherever you want. Most of the garden statues we sell are around this size, and I'm just going to show you some basic principles to just move these statues. This one's pretty light, probably around 200 pounds, but the principles hold the same for anything up to 1,500 pounds. You never ever want to lift the whole weight of the statue. I mean, that's just way too much work. So, and it's too difficult. So you always want to get it on one axis like that, and then spin. I'm not that strong, but I can move a 200-pound statue just by using that principle right there. And then you have a bigger statue like this. This one's about 500 pounds, and pretty much the same principles apply. You always want to put the weight on one axis, and then spin. If you have a buddy around or two, that's the way to do it. And it's that easy. And the same with if you want to micro adjust these pieces too, put it on one axis, spin, spin, spin. You don't have to be very strong, you just have to use some physics. That's the basic principle for spinning these guys, for moving these guys anywhere.